You could see our camera shaking just a little bit in our view on our Storm Team Skycam at the station in South Fargo. The wind is really going there. And we've also had some increasing clouds too. A sliver of blue in our view right now, but overall more of a cloudy situation developing for us this afternoon in the valley. And we'll continue that through the day. The wind, a warming wind, and with it some of that cloud cover going to continue to bring us some gray skies coming up for this afternoon. Here's a look at the radar and satellite map. We're looking at mostly cloudy skies right along the Red River and then west from there. You can still see some clearing over to the east where we're still getting some sunshine. And then there are some areas where we're seeing some blue on the map near our viewing area or just outside it in the Devil's Lake Basin. We could be getting some flurries underneath these as our next chance for snow develops and moves into the valley for later tonight and into the day tomorrow. So that's the next thing to watch out for. As we expand the view, you could see that we're looking at some quieter weather to the east, and there is more activity to the north and west of us, and this will again be dropping in for tonight. Here's a look at your temperatures. We started off so cold this morning. We've made a nice recovery in a lot of places, a good 20 degrees or so by lunchtime today. We're at 15 degrees now in Fargo, 15 in Grand Forks, it's 23 in Gwinner. Colder up to the north and to the east. We're at 11 in Baudette, but this is a big improvement over that 8 below we had earlier this morning. So all of us seeing those temperatures rise. It looks good on paper and on the map, but it doesn't feel so great because of this wind that's actually the warmer air that's moving in, but at the same time, it's really cooling us down if you're caught out in this wind. And we've got some gusts well into the 30s, a 35-mile-per-hour gust in Hallock, both in Grand Forks and Fargo. We're gusting to 32. So it's a windy day, a windy afternoon, and wind chills are near zero. Some of us even still below zero. We're at 3 below in Fargo and in Grand Forks. Same thing in Fergus Falls. It feels like 5 below in Wadena, a wind chill of 6 below in Baudette, and it feels like 1 below currently in Jamestown. So still needing to bundle up with these intense winds, and they'll continue as we head into the afternoon. You can see we've got mostly cloudy skies again taking over, and temperatures that will continue to climb. So more places getting into the 20s this afternoon, and those of us in the east a little cooler, but again, better off than we were yesterday. And as we head into tonight, again, can't rule out a few flurries underneath these clouds, but it likely won't be till later tonight where we see the potential for accumulating snow. Pretty quiet around the 7 o'clock hour, aside from, of course, that intense wind. But then as we head into the nighttime hours tonight, that first line of wind kind of moves on, and we're looking at that chance for some snow showers developing overnight and into tomorrow morning. This is 6 a.m. tomorrow, so some of us in the southern half of the valley especially waking up to some scattered light snow. And as we work our way through the morning, that eventually starts dropping to the south and east, but not before bringing perhaps a little accumulating snow in some spots. Heading through the day, keeping those 20s around for highs for tomorrow, maybe even a little warmer than we were today, and kind of quieting things down a little bit too. So a look at our snowfall potential, generally seeing that chance for snow more likely in the south, and most places just seeing a quick little dusting, but there will be some pockets there where you see we're seeing more solid light blue there, indicating 1 to 2 inches of snow, perhaps down by Fergus Falls. That moves on, and then Thursday back above freezing finally for the day on Thursday, and Friday as well for your highs, and our next chance for precip this weekend, with temperatures staying more moderate as we head into the weekend as well. A lot more tolerable coming up here.
I feel like it'll be that first weekend in March when it finally warms up and everyone's in shorts and t-shirts.
That might happen. I mean, after dipping down as low as we have, that's going to feel pretty good.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.